Today, I'm gonna be customizing a t-shirt. First, we have to get our delicious t-shirts from the trash. Got it. Let's go. Now, we're gonna boost our creativity by drinking some delicious paint water. Delicious. Okay, so now we have to stuff the shirt with something to make it firm and flat and solid, and I hope it fits. So it's got in and my phone was not recording, and it fits so well I had to tuck it into the sides, and I think I'm gonna peg this down just for some extra safety. Okay. Time to start sketching. So first I have to find a character that I like, and you obviously already know that this is going to be an anime character, but I want something mature and intimidating, going with Killua. Now I'm going to start doing the rough sketch on the shirt, and I have a very strong feeling that these pegs are going to fly off. Let's go. I am going to be using my darkest pencil.
This is especially difficult because I'm drawing on a black surface, so it's not very visible.
Basically what I've been doing is I sketch first with the pencil because it's very light and I can barely see it. I do a rough sketch on the shirt so I can see if I got the scale correctly, so I don't do something that the hand is bigger than the head. When I sketch it with the pencil first, then I step back and take a look at it to see I got the size right before I then take my inking pen and use it to make the lines darker. So I'm gonna sketch the lightning now. We're done with the sketch. Alright, time to go get all the paint in the water. Remember these guys? I'm going to have to mix the color of his skin. It's been 3 days and I've not touched the painting at all, so I'm gonna need all the help I can get.
Painting the lightning, adding the blue shine.
Now for the sexy lines.
For the final highlight.
Time for the sesh. My skate shoes were unavailable at the moment, so I had to use my Jordans. And it was terrible. I mean, to steal the words of one of my favorite ex-skateboard YouTuber.
Number 8, not wanting to get new shoes until you absolutely have to because your current pair is 80% shugu. Getting new shoes or even a brand new complete is at the same time nice, yet it also kind of sucks. Because skateboarding is such a precise sport that having anything change about your setup can throw you off drastically, and it can make it hard to land the stuff that is normally a breeze. And for skaters, the shoes are the main thing that they're connecting with the skateboard with, therefore making getting new shoes kind of a chore. People that don't skate will get new shoes whenever they feel like it or when their current ones just get a little bit worn out. Purposefully wear out their shoes so they can feel more comfortable to skate in. This can go from driving over your shoes of a car to putting your shoes in the microwave. But of course you don't have to absolutely do that. Most skaters will just deal with the hour or two of mediocre skateboarding to break in their shoes until they get used to them. But regardless, letting go of your favorite pair of skate shoes is a hard thing to do for anyone.
Skating in these shoes was honestly hell. It kept pushing the board backwards because it was so big and chunky. And it would throw off any slight movement you make and fling the board to outer space. Would have skated with the Naruto customs I made, but they're for sale. Subscribe to see more and don't forget to smash the like button.